Use a wrench to remove the screw, open the cover. This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Insert the front of the memory card into the card slot. Tighten the screws back in place. Align the bracket hole on the host. Insert the screw and tighten it. The bracket can adjust the angle. After installation, it can be pasted in the appropriate position with adhesive tape. It can also be fixed to the car with screws. Align the light shield with the screw holes on the back of the host. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. Fix it on the car with adhesive tape. Find the connection port with the front label on the host and connect it. Tighten the port. The camera can also be fixed to the car using screws. Secure the left, right camera to the car using adhesive tape or screws, just like the front camera. Connect the ports of the left, right cameras to the host in sequence and tighten the ports. Tear off the adhesive tape and fix it in a suitable position on the car, then find the corresponding color port on the host and connect it and tighten the interface. Use adhesive tape to fix the remote control in a suitable position on the vehicle. Fix it on the car with adhesive tape. Find the corresponding color port and connect it to the host, then tighten the interface. The installation scenario in this video is on a car and is for reference only. Please route and organize the cables according to the actual situation of the vehicle.